My name is Raunda Andrews, and I live in Chesterton, Indiana, and I have been working out at FiTrain for a little over 2 years. I've never really worked out at another gym regularly, I guess. At home I did try, I had an elliptical machine and stuff, but the FiTrain is basically the accountability and the community and the encouragement.
Raunda is one of my favorite clients. She is hilarious, for one. She walks in and is ready for her session every single time. She works her butt off. She pushes herself to the limit every single time. Even when she thinks she can't do something, I push her and she does it. She never complains. She gives it her all, 100% every single session, and she's great.
I didn't think that I would be able to do it because I had a lot of physical issues. I have double knee replacement, bad hips, bad back, and I was very, very, very overweight. My original goals were to kind of help all of those things, including the weight. And I've lost 80 pounds since I started FiTrain.
Not only has she lost weight in inches in her entire body, but the one thing that I want to focus on is her attitude and her just communication throughout this entire process. She is so confident in herself now, and that's something that you can't be as a trainer. That's why I love my job. As you probably know, she's had 2 knee replacements and she's killing it.
My legs are a lot stronger. I can kneel on my knees a little bit, which I was not able to do before at all. One of my big things too was to be able to play on the floor with my grandkids, which I can now do. I'm strong enough to lift my 45-pound grandson, which is a challenge. And I can run around in the backyard and play baseball and stuff, which I would have never been able to do.